How to reduce system UI lag on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can reduce system UI lag on Android. Now, before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right in. To reduce Android system UI lag, you will need to regularly restart your phone, clear app caches, uninstall unused apps, and keep your software updated. So first, let's begin with quick fixes. First, restart your device, press on the volume up and the power button, and you'll find the restart button. Tap on restart and then restart your device. A simple restart clears RAM and stop processes, fixing immediate lags. Then you'll need to keep your OS and your apps updated. So to check for your OS updates, go to your settings. On your settings, scroll down till you find the system option. Tap on it. Then head over to system updates. On your system updates, if you find any updates available, update and be on the latest version. Then you'll need to clear out the cache for individual apps. So go to your settings for that. On your settings, you locate the apps option. Tap on that. From here, you can find all the apps. So from here, you can locate the app. Basically, you'll need to remove the cache for each and every app. So I'll show you how to do it on one of them. So head over to an app. I'll just go to ChatGPT and then go to storage and cache. Then tap on the clear cache option. And also you can uninstall the app by tapping on uninstall for any unused apps to free up storage. So make sure that you have about 15 to 20% of the total storage empty for efficient use. And yeah, those are the fixes. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.